Last summer, I created lumber from trees off the property using my Wood-Mizer LT35. This year, that lumber is being used to build a chicken coop. Thank you for following along with the build. I am Heather, and this is 'Cause We Can Farms. I hope that you will come along with me as I build my homestead on 73 acres in northern Idaho. In today's video, we're continuing working on the chicken coop. This is the third video in this video series. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can follow along and eventually see the finished chicken coop. Okay, you guys, so I've got all the 4x4s pre-cut and the rafter boards cut. I need to get the little spacers done, but feeling pretty accomplished. The sun came out. It's been a beautiful day. Tomorrow's supposed to be just as nice. I'm going to try and get the rest of these little pieces cut out so that tomorrow's an assembly day. That would be amazing. I really am excited about this build. I'm learning so much. I think this is going to be an absolute beautiful chicken coop, and I'm just getting better and better with each cut that I make. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. So those of you that have built these before saw the mistake that I made. I did not notice it until late after I got finished and was putting things away. But let me show you. I cut the top plate and I was supposed to cut the bottom plate. So the top plate should have stayed whole. I'm still going to use this. I am still going to use this truss. I'm just going to use it on the end where it doesn't really matter, because it'll be really close to the end truss, and I will fix the rest of them to make them correct. But I'm really excited how this came together. I love how it looks. I have bought a ton of plates to connect everything together, and I want to paint those because I don't like the silver. So that is something that is going to happen. So the new tools that I've used on this project that I've really learned how to use properly is probably the framing square, or the square. And I'm getting reacquainted with my chop saw and my, forgot what that thing's called, my table saw and my planer. So just really working on learning how to use these tools correctly. I've used them before. I just haven't really, I've just kind of got on there and used them and did whatever I wanted. So again, that's why this process is going to take a little bit longer, because I am learning. So I'm going to just fast forward through making the rest of these. I have to rip my 2x6s in half, which gives me 2x3s, or 1.5 by 3s. That is what I'm making the trusses out of. And just get all of that together, and then we'll get to assembling. All right, you guys, this is where I'm gonna call the video for today. I actually made an extra truss. I do want to say that I'm sure you've already figured this out, but I am not a professional. I am learning. I therefore am not going to be teaching you guys how to do this. The purpose of my videos are to inspire you to follow your heart and try new things and just learn something. And I hope that I've done that for you today, or this week, because I've been working all week on this. But this is my very first time doing a scissor truss. The beginning was a little shady, but it got better as I went. I definitely have learned quite a bit. What I'm doing now is I put up my 4 or 8 4x4 posts, and I'll be finishing the framing of this in the next video. So make sure that you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video comes out. I would also super appreciate it if you could share, like, and comment on this video. That will help the channel go. It will trick YouTube, which we all know we want to do that, into believing that people want to watch my videos. So I'd really super appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting me, and you have a great weekend.